Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to open an elevated CMD using command line for Windows. Type CMD in Windows search bar, click command prompt. Type PowerShell space, minus command space, opening quote start minus process space, CMD space, minus verb space, run as closing quotes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.